So what do you think? It's been like a couple hours now since we checked the hummingbird. Oh yeah, hey guys. Today we're gonna check the hummingbird to see how it's doing. To see if it's like gone to the other, to like its mom's or something. I think. Oh my gosh, look at these flowers. Alright then, let's see it. Oh my gosh!
What are you doing?
Yeah, why is the hummingbird like that? What's it doing?
It's not blinking.
It's not?
No.
Hummingbird? You okay, buddy? I think it's trying to use the bathroom or something. Should we give it flowers? Because hummingbirds do like flowers, right?
Blink.
Why?
Blink. It blinked. Yes, it's still live, but it's not doing anything.
You just gotta put it in front of it. Just a wild hummingbird. What does it mean?
What?
Should we ask the people who comment to tell us what to do? Send us a comment to see, like, what do we do exactly?
Hey, is it still gonna move?
It is.
Not the.
Dude, stop throwing the flower on the hummingbird. You just gotta give it to it. That's it. Towards its beak or
I don't think
something.
it's still alive.
It is alive. You said it blinked.
Just set out this.
Oh my gosh.
This stick.
I gotta do it.
Yes.
I don't want to do it. I don't want to poke. Alright, fine.
Move back away. I'm moving.
It's moving, alright.
Is it alive?
Think so, maybe. Why else did it blink?
And sometimes animals blink and move when they die.
Wait, is this hummingbird dying? Please, it can't be true. We just saved it.
Use this stick.
Yeah, you sure? That's gonna poke them, you know. Take some of the sticks off, at least. Jeez. It's good enough. Just tap it on the head.
You do it.
Alright, fine. I'm just gonna tappity tap tap tap. Let us know in the comments below what this means right here. Oh, it's moved. It moved.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, I did. I just saw it. I'm scared.
It's gonna bite us.
It's not gonna bite us.
There it is.
See?
Oh,
It moved. Told you, Daniel. Just like, maybe put some sticks in front of it. So like, the other hummingbirds can like, help it or something. Dude, what are you doing?
Maybe some markings of a wood tree. They think you like they fell.
Why? Like, why would you want to do that?
That birds think they fell and then they can help him.
By doing that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Right.
the flowers gone.
Huh?
One of the flowers are gone.
Yeah.
I moved it.
I think the hummingbird ate the flower. Let's just,
Birds don't
I
eat
mean, I mean just, you know, sucked up the juice inside of the flower.
Then where'd it go?
Oh no. Dude, stop doing that. You gotta like pass it on the baby. Like, I don't know if it's a baby or not. Really hope this hummingbird can last for very long. Like all of its hummingbird life.
Pretty sure hummingbirds can only live for like 2 to 4 years.
Exactly, and that's a long time. I expect this hummingbird to like go off with the other one, but like, I don't know. What do you think? Like, why is the hummingbird moving?
Blinking.
Tell us in the comments below why the hummingbird is not off over there.
I mean, it's a baby. It can't fly.
That's true. It needs its mom and dad, but But we already took off the nest. But we don't know its parents are.
I mean, there's a hummingbird in our porch.
Yeah, up there. That's where it is. But how do we like get the parents to know where their the little baby is? Maybe a trail of flowers? I don't know. What? What? Okay. Why are you looking down? Like,
Baby's fine.
yeah, why do you, like, what else? Alright then, let us know in the comments below if, like, the hummingbird is okay? Tell us in the comments below what do we do. Right, Daniel?
Yeah.
Okay. As always, like and subscribe, hit the bell, and all that stuff. See ya. Bye.